Oh my god, guys, have you ever struggled to find that perfect blush that doesn't feel like you're wearing anything at all? I have, until I found Laura Geller New York's Baked Blush-n-Brighten Marbleized Blush. Seriously, this stuff is magic. So here's my story. I was always skeptical about blushes that claim a weightless feel. But this one does it better than anything else. It literally feels like I'm not wearing any blush, just a natural radiant glow that says, I woke up like this. Plus, it has antioxidants like Centella asiatica and white tea extracts. Antioxidants in my blush? Yes, please. Now let me tell you about shades. There's only one, and it's called Pink Buttercream. It's a marbleized dream that self-adjusts to your skin tone. I've got medium skin, and it works wonders without making me look ashy or odd. Perfect for those quick touch-ups before a meeting or a date night. Speaking of which, remember that time I had just 5 minutes to get ready before my Uber arrived? Swiped this baby on, and